How much food does your city have right now? The answer for most major urban centers is about 3 days' worth. Our entire civilization depends on a just-in-time delivery system, a fragile, invisible network we take for granted. We spend our time fearing the big, spectacular event, the asteroid, the supervolcano. But what if I told you the real apocalypse will not be an explosion? It will be the quiet, cascading sound of 10 systems failing at once. The real danger is not a single event. It is the everything at once event. The synchronous failure. Today we are not just listing disasters. We are building a mosaic of destruction, connecting 10 catastrophes that could lock together into one world-ending cascade. This is not a new idea. The universe has already shown us what happens when our technology meets its power. On September 1st, 1859, the telegraph was the most advanced technology on Earth. That morning, a massive solar flare, now called the Carrington Event, struck our planet's magnetic field. The result was chaos. Telegraph wires sparked, shocking operators and setting paper on fire. Some systems ran without batteries, powered only by the storm itself. It was terrifying. Now imagine that happening not to copper wires, but to the global digital nervous system we rely on to survive. To understand this threat, we need 3 concepts. First, cascading system failure. Civilization is a line of dominoes: power grid, water, internet, banking, transport, food. One falls, they all fall. Second, engineered agricultural pathogens. We fear human viruses, but what about a fungus designed to wipe out wheat, rice, or corn in a single season? Third, the Kessler Syndrome. If satellites collide, debris triggers more collisions. A runaway chain reaction could encase Earth in shrapnel, destroying every satellite. Now, let's build the scenario. It does not start with a bang. It begins with a flash. The sun unleashes a Carrington-class solar flare aimed at Earth. Catastrophe 1. Global blackout. Power grids collapse. Transformers explode. The lights go out for years. Catastrophe 2. Satellites fry. Collisions multiply. Global communications die. Catastrophe 3. Water crisis. With no power, purification stops. Clean water vanishes in hours. Catastrophe 4. Transportation paralysis. No GPS. No fuel pumps. The shipping network halts. Catastrophe 5. Famine. With transport gone, cities run out of food in days. Hunger spreads within a week. Now comes a hidden actor. Catastrophe 6. Engineered Famine. Group releases a modified fungus targeting the wheat crop. It spreads silently on the wind. Catastrophe 7. The Great Starvation. Grain supply collapses. Food shortages become global famine. Not millions, but billions die. Catastrophe 8. Financial collapse. With no internet, the digital economy is gone. Wealth disappears overnight. Catastrophe 9. Societal breakdown. Starving, disconnected, desperate. People turn on each other. Law and order vanish. Catastrophe 10. The New Dark Age. Civilization resets. We return to a brutal pre-industrial world. Now, experts say this is impossible. They point to resiliency plans and food reserves. They claim recovery is certain. But a NASA report in 2012 warned that a Carrington-class event alone could cause blackouts for years and trillions in damage. And that study only considered the first domino. They did not factor in the Kessler Syndrome or engineered famine. With convergence, recovery is not an option. History already shows reckless experiments. In 1950, the United States military sprayed San Francisco with bacteria to test biological spread. It is declassified fact. This proves governments are willing to test the very weapons that could trigger collapse. Now consider the Svalbard Global Seed Vault in Norway. We are told it exists to protect agricultural diversity. But here is the theory. Whose seeds are really being protected? Heirloom crops sit in vaults, while corporations patent modified seeds. What if the vault is not just a backup? What if, after an engineered blight wipes out natural crops, only patented seeds survive, controlled by a few corporations? In the end, This chain of 10 catastrophes shows us that the sky is not falling. It is the floor beneath us that is glass. Technology has given us wonders. It has also made us fragile beyond anything in history. We are the first civilization that could collapse not from one disaster, but from cascading system failure. So I ask you, which of these 10 catastrophes is the linchpin? The one domino that makes all the others inevitable? Leave your answer in the comments. If this exploration made you think, subscribe and turn on notifications. And do not miss our next video about the secret city the military tried to build under the ice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.